video today is about this company. All right, Davico Manufacturing. What they do is exhaust systems, and what happened was I bought catalytic converters that come with manifolds, you know, and pipes all in one for this 2013 Subaru Tribeca that I have. All right, so what happened was when I got it, I changed it. You know, I had a check engine light, but I'm pretty sure it kind of, you know, prematurely went bad because I took too long to change plugs and things like that. So all that's done. Well, the problem we were having was leaks. All right, exhaust leaks. And what happened was I had to finish welds on this. If you look, you can tell the difference. I had to finish this weld here and also down in the pipe. So the company didn't finish it, and they put the name, yeah, Mr. Garcia did the welding but didn't do a good job. All right, now the other problem I had was the flange. This is from the new system. All right, so what I did was I couldn't get it to stop leaking, and I got a straight edge, and you can see the gap. If you look real closely, it's higher in the middle. It's not straight. It was probably welded in the middle, heated up real hot and bent. So what I did was I cut it off, to cut the one off the original, because I am not buying an original because it's 5,000 bucks for that through the dealer, and it's not happening. All right, so at that point I welded it on, and I'll kind of show you if you can see it under here, right there. And what I did was I welded it, and then I put a sleeve over it for strengthening. And that's what I did to fix the exhaust system. Now some of y'all will probably say, why didn't you just return it, get another one? Well, in Rock Auto, they tell you to return it in the original box and packaging. When we got this, there was no box. All it had was saran wrap around the edges and everything. So from that point, maybe the box got messed up in transit. Don't know. So instead of dealing with that, plus the warranty says you have to buy another one first, then send that one back. And if they feel like it's good or not, depends on whether they give you your money back for the new one you bought. Wasn't going to take that chance. So if you're going to buy an aftermarket exhaust system, either you got to know what to do, or just buy it locally where it's easier to get a warranty on, you know, things like that. So all right, that'll end for today. Until next time, when I tell y'all about this, continue on this truck, I do have a video on it that gives kind of a brief on it. As you can see, I am doing headliner and stuff like that. I'm kind of shaping it so I can fiberglass it and shape it and all that good stuff. All right, okay, until next time.